Good evening, everybody. Welcome to a YouTube crypto live stream. I've not done a YouTube crypto live stream in a while, so I wanted to do one for you guys. I'll talk about my usual live streams that I do in our educational group. I go through them, go through markets, look at coins to buy, the strategy course as well, and we'll review some of the good coins we've been trading, the Cardano trade, the Zilliqa trade, some of the ontology trades, some of the trades that we've taken, and talk about the best coins to buy at the moment. So it has started now, Franco. A few people have requested what coins to watch, so I'm going to try and answer everything. I'll be live for about an hour or so. If it does switch off the live stream, I'll come back straight away. It might switch off for a couple of minutes, but stay in this live stream. If I might have to switch off to do some trading, so I might get off for a couple of seconds, but I'm usually going to be live. So welcome everyone for joining. Can you guys just confirm that you can hear me well before I start rambling on for an hour? Just a comment saying that you can hear me well, and I'll start with my Bitcoin analysis and then which coins to buy. Okay, that's awesome. Sounds like people can hear me, so I am going to get started now. So Bitcoin, guys, I'll do a longer term analysis on Bitcoin because Bitcoin is king. If you guys watch some of my YouTube videos, I always say that the key thing for me is Bitcoin. Whatever Bitcoin does, all the altcoins follow. So it's very, very important that we follow what Bitcoin is doing, because if Bitcoin takes a dump, I can't hear anything. You can't hear anything. Most people are saying that they can hear me, so I don't know if you want to refresh it, Thomas. Most people are saying they can hear me. Hi, Robert Sosa. Welcome to the stream. Okay, so yeah, Bitcoin is king, guys. I know a few people are requesting VET, VeChain, WTC. We're going to look at everything, guys, but Bitcoin is king. If Bitcoin breaks down, altcoins will suffer. You know, when Bitcoin broke out higher, there was issues and altcoins dumped. When Bitcoin breaks down now, or even if it breaks out higher, altcoins will have a bit of a dump, and you don't really want to be hodling altcoins when Bitcoin is dumping. So the first thing I always do before I trade any altcoin is watch Bitcoin. At the moment, Bitcoin is potentially at a key zone here. It's trying to hold this support. If Bitcoin breaks this support, guys, I think it will be quite bearish. I have personally been shorting Bitcoin from 9,600 level, and the reason for that is I hodl a lot of Bitcoin, so I don't want to be hodling cryptocurrency, hodling Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin dumps and I hold Bitcoin outside of exchanges. Howdy from Maine, US. Yeah, Kevin, welcome, mate. We've got quite a few people from America in our educational group, so I try to do my live streams so it suits people in America. There's a lot of American traders in our group. So yeah, what I do is I try to head short on Bitcoin, and that's the short I've taken. I shorted it here, it came back up here and dumped, and it tried to bump again, and the most recent signal I posted in the group was this short, which is almost hit target, then moved up. We'll see if it breaks down. So if you ask me what my bias is, I am short bias on Bitcoin. I do think I'm bearish on Bitcoin unless Bitcoin breaks out above 9,300. Initially you can take a short-term trade, and then if it breaks out above 9,700, there's another trade. But unless Bitcoin breaks cleanly above 10,000, by cleanly I mean if it just does a spike like this, that's not a clean break for me. Bitcoin has to break and have daily closes above 10,500. That's when I will be bullish. If Bitcoin doesn't do that, I don't think I will be bullish in Bitcoin. So that's my quick thoughts on Bitcoin. Again, Bitcoin is king in the short term. There might be some bounce coming in. If Bitcoin does break below below 9,000 now, guys, I would be looking for shorts again. Whichever strategy you use a strategy. I share with you in YouTube exact levels and where I'm bullish, where I'm bearish, but have a strategy, guys. If you don't have strategy and you're shooting from the hips, you're going to lose money. So it's very, very important. Whatever strategy you use is very important to have a strategy. If you take one thing from this live stream, you know, people think they'll just buy one coin and be a millionaire overnight. It doesn't quite work like that. It is better always to have a strategy and stick to a strategy. That's the number one tip I can share with anyone that's watching today. That's what's made me money. You know, buying altcoins and hodling altcoins doesn't make me money. It makes me money moving from altcoins to altcoins. If you look at Theta, I made a pump and dump video for Theta. Before that, there was Matic that had a pump and dump. Zilliqa was the most recent one. We'll talk about all of them, and I'll share with you what works for me, and I'll talk about the coins that I'm in as well. And I won't just say I'm buying and selling. I'll share with you exactly how I've bought it as well, what levels I've bought it, and that I've posted it beforehand as well. So let's have a good live stream. So after Bitcoin, I usually look at Ethereum, Litecoin and XRP. I used to look at XRP, I don't anymore, and I'm sure there's lots of fans of XRP here, but XRP has not been doing anything, so I've personally not really been looking at XRP. It could potentially be coming into a good zone, but at the moment I'm not really interested in XRP, unfortunately, for the XRP fans. Ethereum it's going sideways for now. What I am looking for is, I'm bearish on Ethereum. I've not shorted Ethereum. If Ethereum breaks below 1015, which is the 236 Fibonacci level, I think I will be taking a short in Ethereum. I don't know if there's any fans in Ethereum. If Ethereum breaks down below here, that will be bearish. But don't get too bearish now. If it starts getting back above 1040, I think Ethereum might have a push upwards towards the 280 level, so we need to make sure that we are careful with Ethereum. That is what I will be looking for Ethereum. The main chart, the most important chart according to me. Good day, Seske. Hopefully you're well. I've not done a live stream for a while. Seske's probably been one of my older fans. She's been watching my live stream for a while, so welcome, Seske. Hopefully you're well, and let's have a good live stream. I'll try and do the free live stream once a month. I've been really busy growing the YouTube channel and our educational group with courses, so I've not had a chance, but I'll try to do at least one of these a month from now on. XRP has I don't think Ethereum has the same movement as XRP. If you look at Ethereum, it's been going sideways, and since start of the year it's up about 170%, but XRP has been going down, so I don't think they've been moving the same. If you ask me, XRP is not moving the same as Ethereum to me. XRP is way bearish than Ethereum. XRP is down from the top. It's down about 97%. Ethereum is not down as much from the top. It's still down massively. It's down about 80%. So there's a huge difference in how much Ethereum is down. The most important chart is Ethereum BTC according to me. Ethereum BTC, so last few days, if you'll see the top 5 videos I made, it's been quite good for altcoins. We've had VeChain, pump, ADA. Obviously ADA has been the most popular pump. I recommend you guys watch that video. I usually call these in my group, but I called this free one on YouTube before ADA broke out, so check that video out. And we've had VeChain, which has been one of the main breakouts, and as long as Ethereum BTC is going sideways, I think altcoins will keep on doing well, and this could be a great month. Yes, Ali, this could be an amazing month for altcoins, and you don't need me to tell you which ones to buy. If Ethereum breaks down below, guys, when Ethereum did this, if you watch my top 5 videos coin, which I make every month, this wasn't very good for altcoins. This was quite bad. Then if it breaks out, guys, I think this could be one of the best times ever to buy altcoins. If we break out above 26,000, this has been in a sideways consolidation for a while, and that will be an amazing time to be trading Ethereum BTC. Litecoin's not really been doing much. It's been going sideways, and I think it's probably the most bearish out of Bitcoin, Ethereum and Litecoin. It's literally just been going sideways. I'm not really interested. XRP, I know there's loads of XRP fans. I've not made an XRP video in a while. I might make an XRP video, and it's not really been doing anything. I had a plan for it to get in if it got back above 25 cents, which it didn't. It broke down below. Then again, it's just been in a downtrend. I don't buy coins that are in a downtrend. Are there any XRP fans here that are still hodling XRP? Again, I'm not hating on XRP fundamentally. I'm just sharing my technical analysis. If some things are going down, I don't buy it. I buy things that are going up, that are breaking down according to my strategy. That is how I make money in this market. And again, don't just believe me and buy it because I'm telling you to buy. Watch my videos, see how my trading strategy works. Check out the course. Is $20, it's $30 a month. Check out the yearly. The still offer on the yearly. This was $20, this is $150. Check it out. Don't just buy because I'm buying or selling because I'm selling. Use your own analysis and spend some time on it yourself. That will be my recommendation. XRP is slow again. XRP is very slow. But for XRP fans, let me share this with you. I talked about this buy zone for XRP since the start of last year. Even when XRP was above 50 cents, I talked about buying XRP in this zone, and it's potentially coming into this zone. And if you love XRP, this is a level that you could buy. It's down 76% from where I said I'd look to buy. Buy some maybe at 19 cent or 18 cent, buy some at 17 cent, buy some at 16 cent, have a wide stop loss. This could be a potential zone for you to buy. Ripple is a $28 share for private investing. I mean, I don't know, the Ripple is different to XRP. XRP is the cryptocurrency, Ripple is the company. Few XRP fans and investors don't understand that, so I'm not really interested in that. Or I mean, there are concerns for me. What they're trying to do is amazing. I've shared my thoughts on it loads of times with cross-border payments, but I personally is probably not the biggest fan of XRP, as you can find, and rightly so. If XRP gets back above here, guys, I'll be bullish. And if XRP gets back above 30 cents, I'll join the XRP army with you guys, because I know it can be bullish. Last time when it broke above 30 cents, we had a huge move. And if you ask me, I do think there will be an XRP pump coming soon. More and more people are, on YouTube, there's loads of scam YouTubers that just pump XRP. I don't know if they're paid by Ripple, but yeah, they're now moving into ADA. After my ADA video, people are talking more about ADA, Zilliqa. So when people start giving up on a coin, that's when the coin pumps. So I think there might be a bit of a pump coming in XRP soon. Again, don't hold me to it. That's just my thoughts. So that's XRP. Those are the main coins. I'm going to start looking at people's favorite coin. Before I start getting into these coins, guys, I highly recommend you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button. I put a lot of effort into these videos, so I'd highly appreciate if you could smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button. If you're interested, you can check out the group, but if not, I'll continue providing free content on YouTube, and there's an offer for the monthly one as well, less than $30 and a yearly offer. So check it out if you're interested. If not, I really appreciate you all, and I'll carry on doing this once a month. For Cardano, let's get into my favorite coin of the month, even of the year. Cardano had a big down pump here. I like to buy support in a lot of these. We bought Cardano here, we had a pullback, we bought this here, and then I bought Cardano on an hourly close above here. So I do these live streams 3 to 4 times a week in the group, and Cardano luckily broke out during this. Cardano broke out during my live stream, and on an hourly close, that's when we got long in Cardano, and it was a huge trade already. It already pumped about 30%. It was amazing when I'll be laughing at all the new booty crypto investors talking smack about, I don't know what that means. I don't know if it's a good thing or bad thing. Engine 9, I'm not sure what you mean by that. So that was the best time to get in. Then we had another pump here. That was the other best time to get in. And now, guys, if you ask me if it's the best time to buy Cardano, it's not. It's not the best time to buy Cardano now. It could continue going higher, like Zilliqa. I wasn't buying Zilliqa when it was up here. I bought Zilliqa here, I sold most of it. Now it can carry on going higher, and I'm still in ADA with 25%. The way I trade it, my trading strategy is get in before it breaks out, before people on YouTube and Facebook and Reddit starts pumping coin. I will buy it, and then I'll take most of it off and then let 25% run. If it carries on pumping, amazing. If not, I've made my money and I exit quickly. That is the best strategy I've found for XRP. For altcoins, that's the best strategy that I've found that works best for me and the people in the group. And now, if you just look at Cardano has been probably the best coin. I know people say, have I actually bought it? Let me show you my analysis on Cardano and how I've traded it. Are there any are people in Cardano now? I don't know, there's few people on the live stream. Do you want me to go detailed in Cardano? Have you guys traded Cardano? So this was when I bought Cardano, 28th of May, as you can see. Where is Cardano at 640? It was almost up about 100% from then. On a close above, it broke out during the live stream. You can see it when we bought Cardano. It's not, if you ask me if it's the best time to buy, it's not. I'll share with you my analysis anyway, how I look to get into Cardano now. Cardano is potentially giving you a 4-hour pullback. So on a shorter time frame, my strategy would be a potential buy here. I would have a wider stop loss, target 1-to-1. That is probably a strategy. I'd take half off. So Cardano could potentially, yeah, big bags of Cardano. Yeah, if you have loads of big bags of Cardano like it looks like, yeah, this would be a potential entry for Cardano for me. Again, you know, YouTubers usually say it's going up, it's going down, it could go this, and I just share with you what I'm doing. According to my strategy, this is potentially a buy. At the end of the stream, I'll review it, see if it actually worked or not, but this is potentially a buy in Cardano. But you need to please have your stop loss. I could be wrong. If you're hodling, that's fine. I know there's lots of hodlers. The way I suggest is that I had someone who used to have Awesome Ali. That's, I mean, you're trying to think about rockstar traders, so I want people to be rockstar traders that think differently to everyone else, and that's sort of my goal with you guys. So it's good to see you trading that way. So yeah, Cardano, what I will say for Cardano is, if you so yeah, I had an XRP fan who used to just hodl XRP, and start of the year he said, oh, I'm gonna sell some. I think we were above here, and he sold some, half of it, his XRP, and he then started trading it, and he's had enough, made more money, and if he had done it with all, he would have made more money, because his XRP bag is down massively, whereas the one that he's been trading has been going up. He initially lost money, and if you guys join, you'd probably lose money initially the first month or so. You can copy me and make money on my trades, but it will take time to get better at trading. You can't just be, you know, trading, making money overnight, and that's something I would definitely not say to you guys. It takes time. Trading now is ADA is risky, because when something goes up about 80%, it's not the best time to be trading it. You need to be trading it before everyone breaks out. And my next target is sort of the 1200 level. That was my target when we broke out. It's the 50% Fibonacci. It's really important to see what ADA does there. If ADA breaks down like this, can't get back above it, then I won't be hodling Cardano. I will sell it. I still own 25. I still have 25%. I bought some at this breakout, bought some at that breakout, and you can create a Facebook account. So a lot of the people in my group, loads of people don't like Facebook. They create like different new fake Facebook accounts and join us. So you can do that, and then you get access to the unit course as well. So there's a course that you get that access for free for the monthly fee that you join. At the start of the month, there was a $30 offer a month, and you get access to everything for that month. That's run out now. That's £30, but this one is still 150. If you click on it, the offer will come up through a secure PayPal method. So you don't have to, you don't need to use a personal Facebook account if you don't want to. You can create a fake one and then join it that way. And I will be creating a Telegram group, Destiny. So I will not Destiny. Who asked that question? I can't remember who asked it. Yeah, Destiny Online. Yes, I will create a. Yeah, that's fine. There's lots of people that are quite privacy. They say they don't want to have Facebook, so they use they create their own Facebook with a different name and use that. And again, it's fine. And again, I don't say I'm a signal provider. I don't think it that way. You can join. It's more educational, and I will say which coins I'm buying, what coins I'm selling. Like Cardano, I've just said that's a potential buy signal. But if you go in the group, there's other people that are trading, posting what they're trading, and it's amazing to have a. And you can see I'll share exactly what levels I'm buying, which coins I'm buying, when to buy it. But again, please, I don't want to just be a trade. Say that, oh, you buy, get in for $30, you become an overnight millionaire. I don't say that. So yeah, it'd be great to have you in the group. You can check out for a month. If you love it, stay. If not, that's fine as well. ADA is moving up slightly from that zone, so 4 hour is good. I really want it to get back above the hourly. If it does, then this could be a good trade that we take. Wow. Yeah, then trade with risk management. The first thing that I teach, and I do live streams as well where I share my strategy. I do that probably once or twice a month. I go through and review my strategy for new people. But before you even join, I don't teach anything, fancy. This indicator will make you money. The first things I teach is psychology and risk management, and without this, you will never make money. Yeah, I will be creating a Telegram group in the future. I said when I get to 100 subscribers I will be, but I just think Facebook, I prefer it because there's the unit section, there's different sections, there's a messenger group. But I will be joining that, creating loads of people have requested that, so I'll let you guys know on YouTube and Facebook when I do create it. So that's my thoughts on ADA. 1200 is a massive red zone, and if we get back below, if we get back below 900, that's really bearish. 900 will be like my bull bear line. A spike below is fine, but again, it's coming into a zone where it's not. Yeah, if it breaks 1200 and breaks down below, then it's not great. 1200 is the main zone, and Cardano is also against resistance. I look at both BTC and USD. I trade against BTC, but I look at both. And then yeah, this is coming into the 10 cent level where it's coming into huge resistance, guys. So I won't be, if Cardano breaks above 10 cents and Cardano BTC ADA breaks above 10 cents, I will be the biggest Cardano fan. I follow massive risk management. I don't risk much, and I always have stop losses, take profits. But if Cardano breaks above here, guys, I think it will be the biggest trade of the year. If Cardano breaks and closes, not spike. I lost money in that trade. Again, I'm just talking to you about winners. If everyone's telling you, I saw someone on Twitter, right? He's got 10,000 followers, over 20,000 followers, and he says that he's been making loads of money in this zone. And I don't know how anyone can make money in this chop fest. You need Bitcoin to move to make money. I took a scalp here, but so if someone's telling you they're making money in here and they're always winning trades, don't walk away, run away from them. That's the best advice I can give you. But yeah, Cardano USD, if we get daily closes above the 10 cent level, I think that will be very bullish. I will definitely, in the group, I'll let you try and keep you guys, I'll definitely let you know when this is breaking out. But I took a loss there, and hopefully this time if it breaks out, I'll take a trade again. Even if I lose, I know long term that I'll make money taking that trade, because that could be a big trade. That's my thoughts on ADA, quite a long term analysis. XLM is a coin that I like. I'm personally in this and I'm watching for a breakout of this. I'll let you guys know when it breaks out. EOS, I'm not a huge fan. Some people are asking about Blockstack, so let's have a look at Blockstack. That had some news. There's someone in the group who watches the news for us. He doesn't do technical analysis as much. He just watches what coins got news, and this apparently SDX had some massive news come out, and we traded this coin for a nice trade. We traded this breakout, so I help him with my technical analysis and he helps me with his knowledge on blockchain, because I'm not a coder. It went up about 50%. So what we are looking, algo, I love algo, I'm in algo. What I am looking for here is a break above 50% Fibonacci size. So if you buy it now, I don't like buying it now because it could keep on going down. If you buy it, have a tight stop loss. If it gets back below 1,000 Satoshi, that's bearish. I wouldn't like it. My trading would be, if it gets back above here, I'll use my trading setup using RSI, Fibonacci, moving average to get in and see if I can run it. If it doesn't do it, I personally wouldn't be trading it. That's how I trade it. Let things go. With Bitcoin, I'm emotionally involved, so I don't probably trade Bitcoin as well as I should. But yes, I do. STX, I won't be interested. So these are the main coins I watched. Theta was probably one of my best calls. The other way, everyone was getting bullish. People were saying, "Oh, I'm wrong. I'm gonna lose money," and I'm stupid because I made the Theta pump and dump video. Theta was here when I made it. It went up slightly and then had the biggest dump. So Theta, I'm not interested. If it gets back above 382 Fibonacci, I might look for a trade, but I'm not really interested. I don't not like XRP. I love what they're trying to do. I follow the company. If they can achieve, if they can achieve adoption, what they're trying to do with the banks, I think it's amazing. But from a chart point of view, I don't like it, and I need to see it get back above the daily moving average, and that's when I'll get interested. And I've traded XRP massively. I took a trade here. This was when I was making the XRP trade breakout videos. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 trades right. This one I got it wrong because it broke out, then it dumped. So yeah, I don't hate XRP, but if you ask me if I'm hodling XRP and do I hate the XRP YouTubers, I hate the XRP YouTubers, the XRP army people, like that people say, oh, just buy and hodl XRP, but I don't hate XRP, and I don't not like XRP. And some of the reasons that I don't like it is probably the centralization and the difference between XRP and Ripple. So there's some services you can use for Ripple that you can use XRP and not you can use Ripple and not use XRP. So there's few things that I personally don't like about it. Engine, let's have a look at Engine. So Ontology was one that we did take a trade. Oh, it's still going up. It's not stopped us out. So this was my bull and bear line. It's pumping from there. Ontology is a trade we took here. I do like Ontology. I made a video, and it's strange, people don't watch these videos of Ontology. It's only got 400 views. These videos will actually make you money. But people want to watch XRP bank partnership, XRP to $100. They watch those videos, but not this video will actually make you money in the short term. Someone commented on Discord. So do you think Discord will be better than Facebook? Let me know if Discord will be better than Facebook. I might have a look at it if people are interested, because I do this. I have an announcement where people can see this, and then obviously there's unit section, there's member section, and there's live streams that I do in the group and tell which coins to buy, what levels to buy. Let me know if Discord will. Why would Discord be better? Because can you go live stream on Discord and save your videos? Let me know. I mean, I'm all ears. I'm always trying to improve. Yeah, some people are saying it won't be better. So, a few people are saying Discord. Fuck Facebook. I shouldn't be swear. Okay, maybe I'll try Telegram. I mean, I promised the people in the group I'll try Telegram. So I'll try that, and then I will look at. Yeah, I'll look at it. I don't know. Yeah, I'll have a look at Discord, see what it's like. But yeah, I found Facebook streaming quite good. Yeah, so Ontology, that is what I'm looking at. It's looking okay. You could look to take a trade on a pullback now. I do like Ontology at the moment. Zilliqa, it is pumping. It needs to get back above some key Fibonacci support and resistance. Again, the key thing for me is support and resistance. Yeah, it's again this. You can see there's so many people, so many different. Some people are saying Discord. I find Discord quite difficult to use, so I agree with you. I think there's so many channels. I get confused myself which one to update. I think Telegram might be good. I think my plan would be having this Facebook group for like courses and live streams, or maybe do live streams on a private channel on YouTube. I'll do public ones once a month, but people are paying me money, so it's unfair to do these all the time and sharing with you signals that they're paying me for. But I do share enough. I mean, these two calls, this Cardano trade would make you more money than watching other 100 videos. But yeah, it's just people are just, there's so many different things that I don't know. My plan is have a Facebook group where I'm doing live streams and posting, and then have a Telegram group for a chat, and I could just let you guys know quickly which coins are pumping. So Zilliqa, yeah, it needs to do that. I'm not hugely interested. If it closes above, let's say 230, I will look to get it in. Yeah, that's what I'll do, Tomasz, that's what I'll do, my friend. Thanks for the suggestion. So VeChain, yes, VeChain has gone parabolic. So this is how I was looking to trade VeChain. I said, so let me show you again. This is a bit of bragging. Why not a bit of bragging? So these are the signals I posted. KNC was posted beforehand. WRX was posted where I got in. This was the post on VeChain on a break above 618. It broke above it, and then it's literally gone parabolic. And if you ask me if I'm going to buy it now, I will look for an hourly, 4-hourly pullback according to my strategy, but I won't be buying it now because it's at huge resistance. It's a huge Fibonacci resistance of 50% there. It's 1-to-1 extension, previous resistance. If we close back above 160, I think Tomasz, I spoke to you, you're in my group, I think. If it closes above 160, I'll be interested. If you're just looking at blindly trading the strategy, look for a buy around the 4-hour pullback. Get some Fibonacci confluence. Yeah, it matches the 50% 618. Look to buy there. My stop loss will be below 110. That's how I will look to get into VeChain if you want to trade VeChain. But we caught VeChain. I'm going to make a YouTube video on VeChain. But yeah, VeChain was amazing. YouTube is difficult to make a video and share it with you in the group. I can just make posts and what coins I'm buying. But yeah, VeChain, I would be looking at VeChain. You grabbed VeChain at 48, so I'm assuming you're trading VeChain against USD. Yeah, lots of people trade it against USD. I'll let you guys know about USD. Wow, that is amazing. You got in at 4 cent. Is it 4 cent? Wow, that is amazing. I don't know how you got in then. I would have got in here. That's my pullback entry, and then a breakout above there. So those would be my two entries that I'd look for. But I don't know if you had some. Did you have some insider knowledge, Engine 9? Because I made money on TRX with some insider knowledge, and again, I shouldn't comment insider knowledge. Some people just say, oh, there's news coming out, and then take the trade. But yeah, if you longed it, take some profits around 116 to 20 cents. I'm short BTC, so I'm really happy, and I shared another short. So this is a scalp I took. I didn't share that in the group, but this was shared in the group as well. And this trade that I'm short of is the long-term trade, and it's up to you how you guys want to use the information. Some people can't do that, and some people say it's pissing blood. I mean, I've been in cryptocurrency since 2017, and this is nothing. This pump was probably the worst dump I've felt in cryptocurrency. This dump was horrible. Yeah, this is the worst dump I've had. Yeah, this literally killed me. So many people were so crying about BTC, and this is the reason why I'm short now, because this is the short I took, and I always take these shorts in Bitcoin just to protect my wealth, because I'm long Bitcoin, I'm always long Bitcoin because I hodl Bitcoin outside. I'll hodl some Bitcoin to 0 or to 100k. I'm that much bullish on Bitcoin. Again, please don't take this as financial advice. I'm saying from my point of view, I was lucky to get into Bitcoin in 2017 and had real luck with Canadian marijuana. So again, people are at different circumstances. You don't have to trade like I do, but it's really important to be having a strategy. Shorting Bitcoin here was, protected my wealth, and I could be wrong, I could lose money. I took half off here, and I'll see if it gives me a dump. I think you forgot. Yeah, I'll say take some profits. Yeah, take some profits on VeChain. Whenever someone asks me where to take profit, I just say take profit now, because I know how you guys trade. Taking profit is one of the best things you can do. BAT is in a zone that I like, and BAT is a coin that I love fundamentally. People ask me about coins to hold. I personally held some BAT for a while. I'm gonna look to buy BAT again if it breaks out or if it pulls back to 2000 Satoshi. I do like BAT a lot. I will talk about Walton and FTM. There's someone in the group that traded. I've missed FTM, so I've not traded FTM and made money. Let me have a look at what's it called, Walton. I don't think Walton's been doing anything, has it? I have looked at Engine Chain. I can have a quick look again for you, Reaperman. Yeah, it's not really doing much. Yeah, it needs to break out, then I might be interested. But it's not bad. It's a decent potential head and shoulders pattern, inverse head and shoulders pattern. Yeah, break above the 450. I'll be interested in this. Engine, yeah, I've looked at Engine. Engine was an amazing trade this year. One of my best trades. We traded it, moving up and up. This is where I exited it. And then it needs to get back above 2000 Satoshi for me to be interested again. Digibyte, probably my favorite cryptocurrency. And again, I'm joking in a way when I say Digibyte. You mean Digibyte or Dogecoin? I think you mean Dogecoin, don't you? So yeah, Dogecoin, I'll look to buy some Dogecoin in this red zone. This has been one of my best trades since 2017. This always pumps from these zones. You're out of all alts. Yeah, it's coming. I mean, I'm out probably 75%. I'll look for new trades for them to break out. But yeah, I'm still in ADA. Let's talk about KNC. KNC has been another amazing trade. I posted about KNC before I took it. Let me see if I can find KNC. So this is when I bought KNC on the 2nd of July. As you can see, this is the type of posts I make, levels to buy on a breakout. So if you join the group, this is what you'll get. I do live streams. So some people can't watch the live streams; they read my posts. So KNC, I bought some. Apologies for that. I'm back now. This is a network issue that I have. So KNC was breaking out of there. I think I missed it there. I didn't take it there. I did take it here on a pullback, and this has just gone parabolic. It's gone better than I expected. It's gone up above 50%. I did suggest looking to buy this 4-hour pullback. It's not really looking great. I think the stop I suggested was below 16,000, and we'll see if it gets back above it. But I'm still in 25% with stop here. We'll see if it carries on. This 4-hour pullback, it needs to hold. If it doesn't hold, I'd look to exit KNC. I still do like KNC quite a lot. And Nano didn't do what I expected it to do. I really wanted Nano. You can see the Nano trade we took on a breakout above there. It's in this zone now. I'm not that much interested. 0x is potentially in a zone that you could look to buy. It's on a 4-hour pullback. This is what I suggested when it broke out. This would be the zone I look to buy, the 50% 618 zone. So if 0x pumps from here, this could be a really good zone for us to buy 0x. Have you guys got any other requests of coins? Wax, let's have a look at Wax. It's not on Binance, is it, Wax? Yeah, Nano, we took a trade. And I'm not talking about the fundamentally. Yeah, Wax isn't bad. It's a funny chart, isn't it? Who suggested Wax? It's not too bad. look for a trade above this for wax. Should we vet Zilliqa SHR? What's SHR? I don't know. I've not heard about SHR as much. Yeah, I don't know if it. What is SHR? I don't know what SHR is. RSR, yeah, that's a good coin. I haven't traded it. I posted a signal on RSR. Yeah, it's in an uptrend, RSR. Look for a breakout like this. Yeah, look for a breakout above 8,100 satoshis. Comp, people love comp, don't they? Yeah, if I'm missing any coins, guys, I'm not ignoring you. I talked about comp in my top 5 videos near the end. I don't know why people love comp so much. I would look for hourly pullbacks. I mean, that is a picture perfect trade strategy for me. I don't buy things that are going down. I wait for a pump, buy a pullback. I don't know if anyone took it. That is people that in my course, that is like my trading strategy to the T. 50% 618 pullback, hourly pullback, breakout of trend line. You get in here, what a trade. If you want to get in now, yeah, I don't know. You know, I like breakout into new highs. I'd like a breakout above 3,000. I might not get it, but that's how I look to trade it. Yeah, but you could look for hourly pullbacks now. See what if you get an hourly pullback here, and I would have my stop below 2,500 if you get it. So in altcoins, I mean, just check out the group. I mean, I've got in percentage. Yeah, you can check out the group to find out yourself. Altcoins, some of the ones that I've taken, KNC. I took a loss in ZRX. So, where is it gone? So one of the two that I lost, one was QLC. I posted a buy zone for QLC. That didn't work on the 4-hour pullback. This week my percentage has been quite good. Usually I'd say, again, I'm not going to say huge percent, I'd say 60 to 70% altcoin trades, when they're breaking out, they are amazing. Are you sending out emails? I don't send out any emails. If you want to check it out, you can check it out. If not, that's fine. I trade myself. I'm not, you know, just a forex teacher. I might do it in the future, but I'm trader myself. I don't trade any emails out, and I never ask for money. I never ask to manage money. And ZRX, I lost one, I won one. So ZRX, where's ZRX gone? So I took a trade in ZRX here, that didn't work. And then I took this one, and this one was amazing. So I took a loss, and it's coming into a zone now, ZRX. I do like it. But this could just be a small pump. I'm not saying this is going to be, like, this is more from trade point of view. I like to trade breakouts. So if ZRX breaks out, if you buy it here, have a stop loss at 3,600. If you buy it here, have a wide stop loss and target sort of 1-to-1. Ideally, what I would like is, I don't just trade chart patterns. I use support, resistance and moving averages. So what I would look for is breakout above here. Something like this would be my trading strategy. So I don't know who asked for ZRX. That will be the way I get into ZRX. I got into ZRX. I sold half here, and then I didn't sell it here. When it broke down below, I think I got stopped out in ZRX there. Yeah, I don't send anyone emails, and it really bothers me that people repost my videos. And if you see that, guys, please let them know. And I do, you know, put some fancy titles, but I just don't know why my channel is not as popular. Some people that talk about XRP going to $10 and they just get crazy views, and I don't know, maybe I just talk the truth as much. That's why people don't like me. But anyways, are there any other requests? I've been talking, how long have I been talking for? Yeah, I've been talking. I'll stay for another 15-20 minutes. Are there any other requests? One other coin that I've traded it myself. So Destiny asked for my win rate. This was another one, and again I'll share with you how I've traded it. So this was the level that I bought ZRX. Look for a breakup. If you just buy now on the 1st of July, that's where your stop loss will go. So ZRX was a really good pattern for me. A really nice breakout. I'm still in this with half or 25%. I can't remember. My stop is 1350 is where my stop is for this. Thomas talking about ZRX. It depends on what strategy you're using, Thomas. So I'm saying the highest probability is like the ZRX break, the ADA break that I've personally taken. If you just follow my strategy blindly, you could look to buy ZRX now. It's the 4-hour pullback. But I would personally, on the hourly, if it does this, I will buy it myself. And if you buy it now, 410 plus, yeah, shorter time frame, you could easily get there. If you, I think you're trading the 5-minute time frame or shorter time frame. Yeah, I'll reply to you. I think you can't remember who posted. I need to make sure I reply to everyone in my group. It's going to be another crazy week. Yeah, I don't know who this is. I don't know if it's the same person as you, Tomasz. There's someone called with a similar name. Cosmos. I'll have a look at Cosmos. So there's been a request for Cosmos. Let me have a look at Cosmos for this person. That is one of the things I look for. Yes, no worries. It would be amazing to see you in the group, my friend. Wow. Yeah, Cosmos is good. And this is the reason why I created this group. So someone posted about Cosmos 5 hours ago. 5 hours ago this was posted. Again, I've not traded it, but again, I took a trade because someone else told me to buy a coin. Yeah, it's coming into resistance, Cosmos, my friend. If you are trading it, I would like a break above 33,000. Then I'll look to get in. Oh, awesome. Yeah, you seem to be getting some good coins, my friend. Yeah, we appreciate that in the group, Tomasz. And again, if you guys, if you're here for 3-4 months, Tomasz, and you're providing signals, message me. Again, there's people in the group. This again, I can't just say free to everyone, but we're happy to work with you in the future, Tomasz, if you are providing this sort of content. But yeah, thanks for that, Tomasz. We're looking to have great traders in the group and build a great community. That's why we're only charging $30. There's an offer for $20 at the start of the month, and there's still $150 for the yearly. And for a month we might not get trades. If Bitcoin breaks down, if Ethereum breaks down, we might not get trades, but for over a year there's gonna be opportunities where we make money. And if you stick to my strategy blindly and spend time on it, I'm confident that you'll make money overall, and you have if you stick to the strategy and psychology. Sorry, so a few requests. Saiska is requesting Celsius. Yeah, I posted about Celsius, but it's not on, I don't think it's, is it on a big exchange? Yeah, I don't think it's on a big exchange. So yeah, I said if it breaks above red zone, I'd look to buy. It couldn't break above red zone and breaking down now. This was the buy signal here for our pullback. And that's when someone trades on hit BTC. Nah, don't worry about it, Tomasz. Stick at it. I've been doing this for 6 years, cryptocurrency since 2017, Forex for over 6 years. So it takes time, mate. Stick at it. And yeah, I'll send you the link. Post it in the group. It'd be amazing to have a couple of you guys in the group. So yeah, looking at XRP, that's WRX. I talked about Cardano. See what Cardano does. And again, these could be, the 4-hour pullbacks had been amazing, and you guys join in now, and all these 4-hour pullbacks could be wrong pullbacks and could be losers. So take 3 or 4. Don't take it all, because altcoins are like this. That you have about six times a year, probably roughly, where things just go absolutely crazy, and then you have lots of time when it's not going up as much. But probably 6 months, 6 to 7 times a year, cryptocurrencies just go absolutely crazy, and then you have to just be patient for them. So if you join, again, if Ethereum carries on going higher, we'll probably get another move up, but they might be quiet as well. And again, I don't say, that's why you can't just say you'll make money, because it depends what the market is. If you joined, if I had a group back in 2017, you guys could have made an incredible amount of money. Like, anyone could have made money. But to be fair, guys, I mean, I say anyone could have made money. Most people that I know that bought Bitcoin in 2017 above 10k, they lost their money because they didn't take profit. So I want to train you guys so you guys could see the Zilliqa, ADA, Theta pumps and take the 20%, 50% profits, and don't, you know, try to be millionaire overnight. If people do that, that for me, that's never worked. In and out, quick profit, that's what has worked for me. Sia coin, yeah, they had news, didn't they, with Coinbase and stuff. It was quite good, but it's not really looking good at the moment. Yeah, it's not a clear setup. So the clear setups, Thomas, if you guys have watched, been in my group, I can give you a couple of examples. Ontology is a clear one. Zilliqa was a clear breakout. ENJ was a clear breakout. VeChain was a clear breakout here. Sia is not a clear breakout, but if you ask me for my strategy, I personally won't be in this now. I would look for something like this, get back above a Fibonacci and target the previous highs. That will be the trade I look for. If it gets back above $45, then I'll be very, very bullish on it. That will be my thoughts on it, Thomas, on Sia. Yeah, that's it really. Are there any other coins? I wanted to do this for an hour. I'll try and do this once a month on free on Facebook, and I do this 3 to 4 times in the group. I do Forex as well. Someone asked for Forex. Forex is quite hard. I do post about Forex as well. Last week was very hard for Forex for me personally. I think Forex takes, my strategy I think works best on altcoins. If you follow my strategy on Bitcoin, in altcoin, in Forex, I mean there's a couple of traders that do Forex and they have different strategies to me, and that's the reason for this group. We can all share and trade together. Some people don't have my strategy, they don't follow my strategy, they use my analysis and trade for it themselves. It's up to you guys how you guys want to do it. But the way I do it is my strategy, I'd say, works best on altcoins by far for some reason, and then I'd say Forex, and Bitcoin is the hardest I've found. Bitcoin, my best strategy has been trading it long term, like buying huge pull downs at 4,000 or selling 10k. Again, I've told you that I've sold at 9.6k, and again, I could be wrong. Don't just blindly follow me. Have your own strategy. I would hate if someone bought Matic on my signal and made 20, like 100x or something, and then he didn't take profit. He was like, "Oh, Rocko, you're wrong. It will keep going up." And then he literally he lost so much money on Matic. He even send me some money. I didn't ask for it, and yeah, he kept on buying. He got in on a breakout here. He didn't sell. He was up about 100%. KNC, I've reviewed KNC. Please review KNC. For next time I do it, I'll have a timestamp where I do my reviews. I'm getting back to doing YouTube live streams. When I do my next YouTube live stream, I'll timestamp it. I haven't looked at Carver. I know someone in my group asked for it as well, so let me look at Carver. Yeah, it's trending higher, isn't it? It is at resistance now. You know, my favorite setup would be this. Would be like my setup. 4-hour pullback and go. Similar to what we got here. Big resistance. Try to learn the chart and do the analysis yourself, please. breakout, pull back to 4 hourly, you buy that with a wider stop loss, boom. I think that's the strategy new people can learn the easiest. There's another pullback here as well. KNC, I mean, using my 4-hour trading strategy on a blind, this is a potential buy in KNC. I am personally not buying it. I would get back in KNC. I still have 25%. I got in KNC here. I have 25%. My stop loss is here. And if it does get above that, I'll look for an entry. Apollo, I don't know if it's a scam coin. Again, I might be wrong, but there's loads of people messaging me about Apollo and they'll want to pay me and stuff. So I don't... Is it even a coin? Yeah, I don't know if Apollo is a genuine coin or not. It might be a scam coin. I might be wrong, but that's what my thoughts are. Anyways, thank you very much, guys. Any last requests, any last questions? I'll stay for another 5-10 minutes. Talked about lots of coins. A couple of coins that I really like are ADA, Chainlink. I mean, I've not reviewed Chainlink. Oh my god. How have I done a stream and not reviewed Chainlink? Are there any Chainlink fans, Link Marines here? I use TradingView Reaper. I'll send it to you. If you join, I mean, I could send you a, what you call it. If you read the bottom of my information, you'll see there's links to everything, of every platform, every exchange I use. You can use them if you want. I use TradingView. This is what the platform that I use. LTO, I mean, I'm getting requests for LTO. Let's have a quick look at LTO. I have looked at Dogecoin. Yeah, it's not amazing. Not my favorite, if you ask me. LTO. You know, it failed at resistance, so I want to see a break above it to get in. So yeah, not my favorite. Potential hourly pullback here, but yeah, not my favorite. Yeah, Digibuy, I have done. Is it DGD? What did you ask? DGB. Is it a different coin? Oh, sorry, I've done Dogecoin. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, it's not really my favorite. It could pump. I mean, it just because it doesn't pump like my strategy, because this could just pump like this. So that's why you just hold some when you get a good entry. Like Ontology, I still have, I think, 25%. I'm not sure if I sold. I'm pretty sure I have 25%, and this was my bull bear line, and it's just pumped before stopping me out. I was lucky on this one. It could have easily stopped me out. Yes, I'll do Chainlink and then I'll finish the live stream today. There's loads of Chainlink fans, and Chainlink is one of the coins that I'm watching very, very closely. This has probably made me not famous on YouTube, but I mean, I got 10k subs, which is, I'm more than happy. Even if I have 2 people in the group, I don't, you know, I just want to build a community, and yeah, I just love having people that help me, and I've had people that's been with me since August. That's really good. But yeah, in Chainlink, I'm looking for a breakout, and this is one thing I don't want to miss out. If these are a couple of trades like ADA, Zilliqa, Vicha. These are some trades I really don't want to miss out for the group. So if we break above 54,000, 55,000, I would love to let people know. This could be a huge breakout. In YouTube, I share what I'm looking for, but in the group, I have my alert sets. I'll definitely let you guys know when I break out. So make sure you check us out if you're interested. This could be an amazing. I might miss it if it breaks out in Asia session. I might not be at my desk to let you know. You know, if it breaks out when I'm sleeping, I have my alert set. I'll let you know. So if it breaks out above sort of $5 and Chainlink BTC breaks out, this could be one of the best trades that we have. So I would like to let you guys know in the group when it does break out. If I talk about XRP, positive about XRP, I'm sure I'll get 30k subs. But no, guys, I started this, I think, in 2017, and in 2 years I've got 10k subs. It means amazing to me. I've got this random, you guys are listening to me, 60 people listening to me, and again, I was doing this when 7 people was listening to me. So yeah, it's amazing, guys. I really appreciate everyone listening, and it means a lot to me. So yeah, I'd love you guys if you check us out for $30 and $150 for the yearly. But if not, keep making sure you subscribe to my channel, let other people know, share the content, and I really appreciate all of you watching. So thank you very much. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Any last questions for you guys? Answer it now. I'll finish the live stream now. Thank you very much. I'll try and do one of these a month. So if you want a full course, there's an offer available in the group, and there's the group one that you can check out for a small fee. So thank you very much. Thank you all for watching, and then any questions, let me know. Any last questions? Thank you, mate. Appreciate that, Joe. Yeah, appreciate that, guys. Yeah, Saiska, yeah, hope you're well as well. But yeah, definitely. I mean, I'll make a YouTube video after it breaks out, but in the group, I'll try to let you guys know as soon as it happens. Yeah, thank you all for watching. I'll do another live stream free at the end of the month, at the start of next month. I'll try and do one of these a month for you guys. And yeah, thank you very much. Hopefully, a couple of you guys make money and learn to trade, guys. Don't just buy and hold. And people are selling, dumping. You know, they'll pumps. There's a lot of bad people going on. So yeah, just protect your wealth. Don't listen to people, don't listen to me. Really protect your wealth and invest what you can lose, because this is a very risky market. So that I'll end it on that. Learn to have a strategy, learn risk management, learn to manage your psychology, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you very much. Take care.